The assessment of a person with mental illness is particularly difficult because there is nobody to give us objective information about their history. So that would be a particular challenge of working with the destitute mentally ill.
Looking at the government for everything, it should be a public-private partnership where everybody should put forth their effort, and it should be a team effort. See, if you develop a cardiac problem, the cardiologist is the only person, maybe a couple of guys like ECG technician, these are the people, and then the medicines. But when it comes to the question of mental illness, the treatment do not stop with pharmacotherapy. They need supportive psychotherapy, the family should be involved, the caregivers should be involved, they have to be, once they improve, then there is somebody who has got mental illness may not be employed. So we have to think in terms of rehabilitating them and then relocating them. Who will take care of them? These are the biggest challenges that India faces.
For a country like ours, which has more than 1 billion population, we have only about 3,500 to about 4,000 psychiatrists. Whereas ideally we would require almost 20,000. And most of these psychiatrists are in big cities or towns, and many of them are in the private sector. So which means in terms of availability of psychiatric professionals, we don't have as many as we would like to have. And the institutions which offer, the government institutions which offer psychiatric treatment are so inundated with the numbers that they are just not able to do justice to the problem.
Yeah, we have done well on policy, we have done well in a lot of ways, but then the journey ahead, if you look at any developed country, India has a lot to achieve, and we are embarking on that journey. It is going to be a long way off.
Maybe like India, where you're always bothered about what everybody else around you thinks. Having a mental health issue is a huge is looked at as a huge stigma. I'm luckier than a lot of people, and I would definitely like to do something for these women. And I really believe in this cause. Today I understand a whole new subject that used to be I didn't know anything about mental illness, but today I have such a whole holistic view of the subject, and I understand mental health and mental health issues much better.